Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can save your website project as a backup or backup your website project in the Webflow website designer. So let us dive into this. So guys, open up your website project in the Webflow website editor. And from here, you will need to navigate to that gear icon in the bottom left. From there, click into backups. And here you can back up your website project. And as you can see, these backups get saved automatically. Every 50th autosave, right? You can create a new backup by clicking into this button. Give it a name, like, I don't know, my website project number 1. Click into save. And then you will see the saving process here. It may take a moment, of course, depending on your website project, how large it is, complex, and so on and so forth. So after that, it will be available here in your list of backups so that you may use it from here if needed. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.